Let's watch this bee guarding the entrance to the hive. It is now tense and watching closely for any movement of a large, suspicious object nearby. Its antennae are moving actively, trying to catch scents. The bee starts crawling along the hive wall and suddenly attacks. Now we know two important things. First, it's better not to get too close to the hive's hive. Secondly, the bee can move perfectly and quite quickly, both on the wooden surface of the hive and on the smooth glass of the camera lens. Today we'll talk about the structure of the bee's claw segment, which allows this insect to move along vertical walls, glass, plastic, and hold on to flowers even during strong gusts of wind. If we talk about the structure of the claw segment, it is located at the end of the bee's legs and has a fairly functional structure. It consists of two strong sliding claws and a soft elastic pad located between them. Each claw has two sharp edges curved downward, which allows the bee to cling to different surfaces. On the upper side, on the sole of the long curved segments extending from the base plate, there are pad walls. These segments serve not only to protect the claws, but also to provide additional stability and maneuverability, ensuring a secure grip even on smooth surfaces. The claw segment provides the bee with the ability to move on both rough and smooth, slippery surfaces. The claws allow the bee to cling to the slightest irregularities in the substrate, which allows the bee to easily overcome vertical and inclined surfaces. When moving on a rough surface, the claws are deflected upward, and the main load falls on the pad. When the bee moves on a smooth surface, the claws are pressed to the sides and back, and the leather pad goes down in contact with the surface. Due to the special structure of the pad, a vacuum is created, which ensures reliable adhesion. When the leg is lifted, special rods pull the pad upward, allowing the bee to easily tear the limb off the surface. However, it is likely that the key role in the pad's adhesion is played by the adhesive secretions formed on its surface. These secretions provide additional grip even in the most difficult conditions.